Hey, this is Edu Library. Welcome to our space. Today, on the Autodesk Revit course for construction drawings, you're going to learn how to design stairs for a two-story detached house. To draw the stairs, you need to go to Architecture, just top left in your ribbon, and you will see stairs in there. So you can click on it, stairs, and you have an options to modify. So I'm going to keep it as a straight run type of stairs, and the dimensions in that. I'm keeping it as a symbol step private stairs. It's going to be 2,700 in height, just what I want. The desired number of rises is going to be 16. So what I usually do is I draw my stairs outside the drawing, and then I can easily transfer it into the plan. So for instance, because I know this is like an R shaped, so what I do is if you left click on it, right, and remember I choose the location line is the run right. It's just going to start on the right hand side. Okay, let me show you again. So run right means if I click on it, you can see the right hand side. You see that the pink arrow. I just show that's where it starts. If I choose another one, say for instance I choose a center, just watch it. Right, you see the arrows are the center, so the drawing begins there. But what I want is I want it to begin on the right. So I'm going to click on that. And if you look closely below, you will see it's telling me how many risers remain as I go up. 4, 3, you see, 2. So once it's 2, I'm just going to left click. Yeah. I have 2 remaining. So what I do is I click on this edge right here, this end point. I click on it, left click, and then drag my mouse to the right. All right, so you can see it's 0 remaining. So I'm just gonna stop there. So what I do is I just highlight my stairs, I combine them into one element, and then I can move it into the space I have. This is a developed drawing. It doesn't have to be perfect yet. Okay, I'm just gonna move it. What I do is I view this in 3D also. So I'm gonna open a tile view from what we learned last video. If you go on view and then go on tile view right here, I can split my screen into 2. What I do is I can right click and zoom to fit on this side, and right click and zoom to fit on that side. I can just adjust it and move it around as I see, right? The reason why you're still seeing it, I haven't really accepted it. If I go back to modify, and then if I'm happy with what I'm seeing, I can just click finish edit mode. I'm just going to check the box, the green box, right? So it's telling me there are errors, there are clashes, which is fine. I'm going to adjust that. So we're going to have a look and see what's going on. It's a clash right at the top here. So what I do is if I just click there and move it down, just press the down key. Right. On your keyboard, the down, move it up. So I'm going to go left one more time. So a little bit back and forth just to make sure that you're happy with the drawing. So what I'm going to do is also move this wall. I can move it back. It's a conflict. It's fine. Move forward. Do this wall also. And move it up. Move it up. Move this one. And move it back. Just the arrow keys. The little clashes with my door down here. Right, this door is creating some clashes, so I can can select the door separately and then move it to the left. Yeah, move it to the left, move it to the left too. That's the beauty of Revit, is the clash detection. You can see it's a problem solved. Do the same here, move it up. Move it up, let me zoom in a little bit. Let's see if I'm happy with what I have. There is no point of this railing, the one on the right hand side. There's going to be a wall there, so I'm just going to delete that one. There is no point keeping it there. The one on the left is enough, and if I just scroll around and just see what it looks like, right, I'm happy with it for now. That matches with the floor level, the first floor. When it's time to draw it, you can keep this, right? Alternatively, another thing you can do is, because this is a developed drawing, you're trying to develop it, you can choose the easy option. You go back to architecture, right? Go to stairs. Just go to the ready-made option, stairs, and just click them and just click. That's it. But what you can do is you can just move them inside. I click OK. Okay. So you can design around the stairs the same way you can design around it. You delete that side, and you can fit your stairs around your plan. It makes your work less difficult. You just press back and forth and all that. So I'm just going to delete. Also, you can choose this other option. Just go to your stairs on the architecture, click on the ready-made, so there's a U-shaped winder there. Just left click and left click, just bring it, just drag it down here, hold your left click and then drag it and drop it. See, and then you can design your building around the shape if it's easier to do. So this is alternative ways, easy ways. And if you want a spiral shape, it's also easy. Just draw, left click and drag it. So then he does all the drawings. Feel free to play with it. I'm happy with my stairs that I created initially, so I'm just gonna keep it as it is. Keep learning, keep growing. See you next time. Bye.